Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Let's analyze this physics question regarding concave mirrors. Look at the table showing focal length and object distance for three mirrors. Case 1, focal length 20, object distance 45. Case 2, focal length 15, object distance 30. Case 3, focal length 30, object distance 20. Question 1. In which case is a diminished image formed? A concave mirror forms a diminished image when the object is placed beyond the center of curvature, C. This means the object distance U must be greater than twice the focal length, 2f. Let's check mirror A in case 1. Twice focal length, 2f is 2 times 20, which is 40 centimeters. Here, object distance 45 is greater than 40. Since U is greater than 2f, the image is diminished. Question 2. List two properties of the image in case 2. In case 2, focal length is 15 and object distance is 30. Notice that 30 is exactly 2 times 15. The object is at 2f or the center of curvature. Properties. First, the image is real and inverted. Second, the image is formed exactly at C. Question 3 Part A. What is the nature and size of the image formed by mirror C? In case 3, f is 30 and U is 20. Since U is less than f, the object is placed between the pole and focus. In this case, the image formed is virtual and erect, and magnified. Now let's see how the ray diagram is drawn. The object AB is placed between the pole and the focus. The first ray, parallel to the principal axis, strikes the mirror and reflects through the focus. The second ray, directed towards the center of curvature C, strikes the mirror and reflects back along the same path. Since these reflected rays diverge, we extend them backwards behind the mirror. They appear to meet there, forming the virtual, erect, and magnified image A-B-. Or, you can choose to answer the alternative question in Part B. An object is placed at a distance of 18 centimeters from the pole of a concave mirror of focal length 12 centimeters. Find the position of the image formed in this case. Let's solve Part B. Focal length f is minus 12 centimeters. Object distance U is minus 18 centimeters. Using mirror formula. 1 by f equals 1 by v plus 1 by u. Rearranging for v. 1 by v equals 1 by f minus 1 by u. Substituting the values. 1 by minus 12 minus 1 by minus 18. Simplifying the signs, minus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 18. To get the LCM 36, multiply the numerator and denominator of the first term by 3 and the second term by 2. This gives minus 3 by 36 plus 2 by 36. Combining the numerators, minus 3 plus 2, all divided by 36. Solving this, we get minus 1 by 36. Taking the reciprocal, v equals minus 36 centimeters. The negative sign means the image is real and formed in front of the mirror. So, the image position is 36 centimeters from the pole. Thank you. Happy learning.